Oh yeah, I'm back. Jared, the 20-year recovering sex addict. 20-year recovering abusive sex addict. And where am I at? We in the cut, man. I'm in the cut. I had to get away, man. Everything was just getting to me lately. And basically, I'm on a damn mountain. I'm gonna walk back over there and see if I can get a better view, man. Let me turn this around. Let me see what y'all. Make sure y'all see what I see, man. That's crazy. I don't know if y'all can see them houses down there. But yeah, when I say I'm on a mountain, I'm on a mountain. Shout out to everyone in the mountains. Pocono Mountains, to be exact. You gotta get away, man. You gotta get in nature. Hold on, got some people coming. You know, the shame about it is I wish I could come out here with somebody. In a perfect world, I would have a companion on my trips, but y'all know how I roll on this channel. By myself. Can't have it any other way. Damn, that view was crazy. Damn, that's nice. That's a better view right there. That is nice. I had to get away for a little bit. Can y'all see that? A few people out here. Man, we about to walk down this trail. So let me get this started, man. Old subscribers, new subscribers, thank you for tuning in. Man, I appreciate y'all. This looks like a freaking horror movie. I can't hear anything. We walking away from everyone right now. You see what I mean? But let's get it. Anyway, sometimes you need to recharge. You need to get away because you need to get away from civilization. You need to get away from people. Yo, if I don't make it back from here, y'all know where I'm at. In the damn mountains. Pocono Mountains. Big Pocono State Park. And I don't know where this is leading to, but we about to find out. Y'all know I've been going through some things. Y'all know I've been stressed out. Y'all know I've been mentally exhausted, but I feel good. And basically, when I saw the weather forecast, and it looked to be nice, 80 degrees, 79, 80, 81, and you know I'm doing this right off the cuff as always. No edits, no filters, looking rough. Maybe I'll get my tan on out here. Lord knows I could use some color. But bear with me if I'm rambling, man. You gotta understand, I've never been here before. And I told y'all where I'm at, man. I had to escape everyone. So basically, I haven't checked in yet. I'm at a nice little spot, little hotel, little resort around here. And damn, man. I think mosquitoes out. I think they got me. See if I could check in early. Show you that view from where I'm at. But once I saw I was right, you know, where this park was, I said, man, let me go down here and get this view going. All right, so see where I'm coming out at. You need to take time for yourself. That's what I'm doing. You need to be able to relax, preferably without people. You know, I was gonna go somewhere else. I love the water, but it's a little too cold to be in it, so I figured, you know what? Why don't I get lost, get away from civilization, and take my high yellow behind up in the mountains. That's where I just came from. That feels good, man. That sun feels good. It's a gorgeous day, man. Let me see that view right there. Yeah, man, we on the mountain. But I didn't want to take too much time. I didn't know I was gonna film until I pulled up, parked the car, saw how beautiful it was, other people around. That's cool. But there's no one around me right now. It's good to be out in nature. It's good to be alone. It's good to hear yourself think. It's good to just be in the cut, to just be in the wind. That's what I'm used to. That's what I love. I never like being around a whole bunch of people, you know? I can't hear myself think. I can't hear the Lord. Oh, there's a car right there. But anyway, man, I think I'm gonna drop a couple of uploads out here. You know what? I think I want to come out here bright early at dawn in the morning. Maybe work out, maybe watch the sunrise. Maybe when there's no one around. But I love it, man. Shout out to everyone in the Poconos. Shout out to everyone in PA. I love this state. I really do. One day I'm gonna get out here, because I can't stand the ruckus of where I'm at. Too many people, too much commotion. Too many people living in too close a proximity. Too close for comfort. But anyway, man, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Clearly, I didn't have much to talk about because, hey, I didn't know I was gonna shoot this until I got here. I had no plans of coming to this park. I was actually gonna go somewhere else, but when I realized, I said, hey, let me check this out. I'm glad that I did. And I thank y'all for tuning in and checking me out, checking out this video. I realize I may never blow up. I think I just hit 300 subscribers, so I appreciate y'all, man, I really do. But this channel ain't about monetization. This channel ain't about appealing to a mass of people. This channel is about bettering yourself, becoming the best version of yourself, growing, learning, accountability, and also telling my story. And I'm gonna continue to do that. And I'm gonna have fun in the process too, and I hope you guys do too. I hope you guys grow too. You know my motto. You know my saying, you heard it here first. Discernment over delusion. Live, stand for something greater than one's own self. It's so quiet out here, man. I love it. Anyway, let me stop playing with y'all, man. I swear I feel so at ease. I can just let my mind breathe. I love each and every one of y'all, man. Stay tuned, because I think I'm going to drop a couple of videos while I'm out here. I love it. Much love and appreciation to all my subscribers. Stay tuned. I'm out.